If you want to make text stand out in your presentation, one of the easiest effects you can add is a shadow. In this video, I'll show you how to add shadow to text in LibreOffice Impress step by step, so your slides look more polished, more readable, and a lot more professional. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple LibreOffice tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Impress Presentation. If you already have a presentation open, you can simply open that file instead. This works the same way whether you're building a new slideshow or editing an existing one. Once your presentation is open, go to the slide that contains the text you want to edit. Now click on the text box so the text is selected. This part is important because the shadow effect will only be applied to the selected text. After selecting the text, right-click on it and choose Character from the menu. This opens the text formatting options for the selected content. In LibreOffice Impress, the character settings give you access to font styles, effects, and other text appearance options. Inside the character window, you'll want to go to the Font Effects tab. This is where LibreOffice stores visual text enhancements like color, transparency, outline settings, and shadow. When you're in the Font Effects tab, look for the Shadow option. Now, enable shadow by clicking the checkbox or turning the option on. As soon as you do that, LibreOffice will apply a shadow effect to the selected text. This can make the text pop more clearly against the background and improve the overall visual design of your slide. Before finishing, take a quick look at the preview or return to your slide to see how it looks. If the shadow improves readability and fits the style of your presentation, you're good to go. Then click OK to confirm the change and close the window, and that's it. Your selected text now has a shadow effect in LibreOffice Impress. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how professional your presentation looks. If you want more LibreOffice tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.